Hey everyone, and welcome to This Explainer. Today, we are going to decode the, let's be honest, super complex and sometimes pretty confusing world of Shopify subscription apps. Look, building predictable, recurring revenue, that's the holy grail for most stores. But choosing the right tool to actually pull it off, that can feel incredibly overwhelming. So we're going to break down the real costs, explore what the user experience actually looks like, and help you find that absolute perfect fit so you can scale up without getting stuck in some clunky system. Let's dive right in.
Okay, so here's our quick roadmap for today. First up, we'll look at the hidden fee trap. Then, the best apps for beginners. After that, scaling to the enterprise level. Then, retention and custom boxes. Next, digital products and memberships. And we'll wrap it all up with the final verdict.
All right, part one, the hidden fee trap. The absolute biggest problem new store owners face when choosing a platform is the hidden costs. Seriously, you've got to ask yourself, are hidden fees quietly eating away at your recurring revenue? You might sign up for a flat monthly rate of, say, $10 and think, wow, what a steal. But you really need to watch out for those hidden percentage-based transaction fees that are completely devouring your profit margins behind the scenes.
We call this the success tax. You know, a 1 or 2% fee seems totally harmless when you're just getting off the ground. But as your business takes off and your order volume spikes, these little percentage fees morph into a massive, penalizing expense. Basically, you're literally getting taxed just for growing your own business. Crazy, right?
So how exactly do we dodge this trap? Well, you absolutely must evaluate your options using these 5 key factors. Number 1, calculate the real, true cost and any hidden fees. Number 2, and this is a huge one, prioritize a native Shopify checkout. If an app kicks your customers over to some off-site page to pay, it creates massive friction and boom, cart abandoned. You want them staying right there in your trusted store. Number 3, check out the customer portal experience. A good self-serve dashboard means way fewer support tickets for you. Number 4, look into specific subscription box features if that's your model. And number 5, make sure the app actually plays nicely with the rest of your tech stack, like your email and customer support tools. Let's put this into perspective and look at the actual math, using $10,000 in monthly revenue as our benchmark. For a flat fee app like Seal or AppStore, your total monthly cost sits right around $10. It's great. But look at what happens with enterprise apps that take a percentage fee. An app like Skio shoots all the way up to over $700 a month for that exact same 10 grand in revenue. That massive jump, that is the success tax in full effect.
Moving right along to part 2, the best apps for beginners.
Okay, so since we now know all about that percentage trap, let's talk about the apps that will fiercely protect your hard-earned early margins. Our number 1 overall pick for beginners, hands down, it's Ka-Ching subscriptions. It's super lightweight, meaning it won't absolutely tank your page speed scores. But the real kicker here is that it gives you an enterprise-level toolkit, stuff like advanced cohort analytics, while charging you literally 0% in transaction fees on all their paid plans. You keep every single dollar you make.
And hey, as a really awesome insider perk just for our Shopify viewers, you can actually snag 20% off your first 3 months on any Ka-Ching paid plan. Just use the exclusive code SSK20 when you sign up through the link below. It is a fantastic way to test out a genuinely top-tier app while keeping your startup costs incredibly low.
Now, if you want to sort of shop around a bit before committing, let's look at a few other heavy hitters. There's Shopify's totally free native app, which is a fantastic, zero-risk way to just dip your toes into a basic subscribe and save setup. If your profit margins are razor thin, Seal subscriptions is phenomenal because, again, 0% fees even as you scale. Or, if you're looking for a really solid all-in-one engine, App still gives you a ridiculously feature-packed toolkit starting at just a $10 flat rate.
Let's jump into part 3, scaling to the enterprise level.
So what exactly happens when your store outgrows that beginner phase and starts doing massive volume? Well, when you graduate to the big leagues with enterprise platforms like Recharge, StayAI, or Skio, you are definitely going to see a pretty steep jump in base costs. But to be fair, they do justify that premium price tag with some truly incredible features. We're talking mature APIs, proprietary AI engines that can literally predict when someone's about to cancel, and beautiful passwordless portals. When you're dealing with massive volume, these tools absolutely pay for themselves by stopping churn dead in its tracks.
All right, part 4, retention and custom boxes.
Okay, moving past just simply processing credit cards, there are some specific features that are just absolutely vital for maximizing your customer lifetime value. One crucial concept you've got to know is dunning management. Sounds technical, but basically, it's an automated system that fights involuntary churn. So when a customer's card expires or gets declined, dunning management automatically steps in, retries the card, and sends out reminder emails. Honestly, this one single feature can recover thousands and thousands of dollars in lost revenue without you lifting a finger.
And if you have some really specific specialized needs, you should definitely check out these champions. Loop Subscriptions is incredible because instead of just having a boring cancel button, it uses personalized flows like offering a quick discount or swapping a product to save subscribers who are on the fence. Then you've got Easy Subscriptions, which is literally the gold standard if you want your customers to dynamically build their own custom recurring boxes, mixing and matching stuff every month. And if you absolutely hate chatbots and demand real, live, round-the-clock human support, RecurPay hooks you up with actual human experts 24/7.
Moving right along to Part 5, Digital Products and Memberships.
Now, what if you're not actually shipping physical boxes every month, but instead you're selling VIP perks or digital access? It is so important to understand the difference here. Physical subscriptions are all about recurring product shipments. Membership apps, on the other hand, are all about access. They use something called content gating to sell access to exclusive digital content, private online communities, or even special members-only pricing. If you're a creator or you're building out a VIP tier, you absolutely need a dedicated membership app, not just a standard subscribe and save tool.
Finally, Part 6, the final verdict.
Okay, we have covered a tremendous amount of ground today. So let's just cut through the noise and distill all this data into 3 super clear, actionable recommendations. Number 1, if you're a new store looking for fast growth without getting hammered by transaction fees, go grab Kaching. Number 2, if you're a massive, high-volume brand on Shopify Plus, it's time to graduate to Recharge or Skio. And number 3, if keeping your budget as low as humanly possible is your absolute top priority, pick Seal.
So the tools and the strategies are all laid out right in front of you. We know for a fact that subscriptions are the absolute key to building a highly resilient, profitable business. So the only question left is, are you going to sit back and let hidden fees slowly drain your profits, or are you going to choose a platform that actually scales right alongside your success? Seriously, don't let the success tax win. Dive in, make the choice that's right for you, and watch that predictable revenue completely transform your store. Thanks so much for hanging out with me for this explainer, and happy building.